Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Till the last video we have done up to spur gear. Okay, so we'll see about the following sessions. So bearing, we have to model it. So which is like the same thing again. So click on add, load it, open it in new window, front plane sketch, select one axis line, look it into construction. Let's give approximate value. Total width, how much it is? Okay, it is not given. We'll consider it. We'll assume it. So 10. I'll assume it. Okay, and I'll get one square like this. From center point to this point, I will make it, select the center point and this center point, make your vertical, and I'll make this 10, enter, and I will keep this line and this line in equal relation. Okay, now from center to outer, which is given 17.5, enter. Okay, so the next thing, select line command. Okay, select one circle, sorry. So what is the circle diameter? 5. Okay, and it has to be open by thick of 2 mm. So select the offset command, select this and update the value 1, enter, make sure bidirectional, go OK. Okay, now click on this trim command and keep this trimming entities to construction so that we don't need to constrain the sketch again. Okay, okay, let's see how we can see. So this point, constraint. Half of the sketch is already constrained. Now this is the what it is being happening. Control Z. I'll keep this 5. That's it. Now exit and Control 7 for isometric view. Choose the revolve key and choose the revolution axis. Click on off. And don't forget to give the fillets. So which is R1. So select this fillet. Select this, this, and then okay. You can only give them only one body. So let's make it as one, enter, and use another fillet, and that's it, enter. Okay. The next thing we need to create the inside the balls. So the pretty easiest procedure is there for that. Click on this front plane, make a section there, click on OK, and select the circle command. Okay, let it be. And from this center to this center, there is a given distance given. Okay, not given, 17.5 minus 5. Okay, and this diameter is given as 4. Okay, still it is not constrained. Why? Because this center point and this center point makes you vertical. Now it is constrained, right? Then what we can do is a round circle. If you are excluding it, means it will form as a cylinder. So but we need a ball there. What we'll do, we'll make a line again here, and we'll not a construction, active line, and we'll make the use of trim and trim this. That's it. Exit and use the revolve tool again and choose this as a revolution axis, and you can see a ball is being forming. Okay, turn off this section view. Okay, so how many balls you want? You can use the circular pattern. How many you want? Around that. I don't need 30 for you. Yeah, I think mine is Okay, round figure will give 10. Okay, it is asking about features. So we'll untick this and click on this bodies and select our ball. Now click on OK, it will work. Okay, the bearing is created. Click on OK, close it. So where it is, the part, so let's rename it. Okay, next, push support. So on insert components, go to assembly, insert components, new part, right click, load it, open it in new window and select the front plane. I'm going to use the same revolve command again. Okay, yeah, I'll make this section. So midpoint line, what is the total height? 23, I'll keep 30. Select the line command. Okay, this is what the entire section is showing us. So now give dimensions. From this to this, there is a diameter which is 19, enter, and then maximum OT 26, 26, enter, and then this is 20, so inner ID is 14, then this is 20. Okay, now select this line and this line. Yeah, okay, yeah, I think these are, yeah, that's it. Select this line and this line, make sure collinear, and this gap is 1.35, 1.35, 19 it is. Sorry guys, I did one mistake here. Make sure select this line, collinear, and this circle blue is only the 19 mm. Okay, so now almost done the 4 mm. So what I'll do, insert this and this coincidence. So this is a 4 mm, enter, and then 3 mm. This is 3 mm, enter, and then 23. So from here to here, 23, enter, and then 3. From this to this, which is given as 3. Every sketch is constrained. You can see this bottom status also fully defined. Exit, Control 7, and use the revolve key and revolution of this. Click on OK. Any holes? No any holes. It is just a bush support. Okay, now let's save it, close it. Okay, so rename it bush support. Okay, so we can move a little like this. Then what next? Upseal. Okay, so select the new part, load it. So front plane, sketch. What is the overall thickness? 6.5. Okay, fine. Select line command, and which is forming like this way. Okay, okay, you can understand it shortly. Okay, let's make it horizontal. Okay, Let's make these two parallel to each other. Now give the dimensions. So what is the OD? Which is 15. Which is 15 only. Enter. And then thickness is not given. Center of the circle, it is 9. From here to here, it is 9. That is also fine. 1.5. 1.5. Enter. This is 63 degrees. From this to this, 63 degrees. 1.5. This is radius is 1.5. Then from this to this, the vertical distance is given as 1.5. That's it. Select this line. Sorry. Select this line. This line. This point. Coincidence. What is the height? Select this. And this point. Coincidence. And then this thickness is also the same as 1.5. Will be. And this is also 1.5. Now exit. Okay, I revolute. Click on OK. Okay, that's it. Save it. Close it. What is the name? Up seal. So up seal. Enter. So let's drag a little outwards. That's it. So next, shaft 1. Okay, start new part. Load shaft 1. I'm renaming this earlier. So open this in a new window. I think I cannot use revolve command here. Okay, let's use the top end sketch and set the circle. Okay, wait. So what is the diameter? So it is given 14. Exit. Control 7 and extrude. How much expression you need? Those dimensions were not given properly. Okay, not given. In these are given 59 minus 55 minus 9 minus 2. So mid plane 55 minus 9 minus 2. Enter. Okay, here you can see a tap hole is given M5 up to 15 mm depth. Click on this hole wizard. Select this position. Select this and choose the center point. Go to type. Go back to this. Go back to this and tap the hole. M5, right? M5. And then the distance of blindness 15. Enter. That's it. Okay, the next thing would be select any plane, front plane sketch. So here I'll make one slot first. Okay, okay, from this edge to this, which is 55. Enter. And here are 6. Enter. And 9 mm. Select one line. 9 mm. Enter. And okay. Okay, I'll delete all this. Okay, in what way these are not constrained? Make it vertical. Yeah, that's it. Okay, and then you can see a small thing is connected between these two. So let's develop that. Next step we will do that. No issue with this. And one circle is also there. So diameter of 6, right? Diameter 6 center. Increase it. What is the thickness? 8 mm. So control 7, select the sketch and extrude 8 mm on mid plane. Okay, click on OK. Mid plane. Okay. The next step would be select this. Yeah. Next step, select this sketch. Okay. Convert entities. Select this edge and this edge. That's it. Control the 8 from normal view and select the line command. Okay, I'll use the extend tool. Okay, and I'll trim them off the extra regions. 10. So from here to here, which is 5, enter, and from here to here is 10, enter. Exit. Yeah, what we can do is, what I will do is, and make it into construction. I'll make it into construction. Exit. Select the sketch, extrude, and the thin feature is turned on. Okay, we'll have to use that. I think mid plane. Okay, 10 mm we can't use 1 mm. Direction to, okay, easiest way we'll do it. Okay, yeah, yeah. Okay, let me connect my charger, guys. 2 minutes. Okay, it's fine now. Okay, sketch. Okay, the corner rectangle option, like this way. Select this edge and this line, coincidence. Select this edge, select this line, cooling here, and yeah, place the cursor on the line for some time. So you will be seeing a one midpoint. Select that midpoint and control it, and this origin. Make sure the horizontal, and do the same thing here also. Center point, origin, horizontal, and I'll give the 10, right? So 10 only it is given. Okay, I'll show you where is in the 10 mm shortly. Here you can see this is a 8 and then this is a 10 mm. So that is what it seems like. Okay, let's use the convert entities option and then trim trim this, and okay, now exit. These are not equal, make it equal, and I'll keep 1.5 and exit. Select the sketch, extrude, right click, up to surface, select up to surface, select this, click on OK. Okay, so to remove this, what we can do, select this face, sketch, and convert entities, select all this, convert entities, okay, exit, and extrude, flip outwards, through all both, click on OK. Okay, it is forming like this. Okay, let it be, no problem with this. Save it, close it. Okay, shaft. So I think it is only took more time. Okay, now let's do this connecting rod. So add new part, float, sorry, float, connecting rod, enter, open this in the window, and what I need here, select the top line sketch. I need one circle first. So whenever you see, right, so I'm giving, whenever I'm drawing, there is a input is coming out. I don't want that. What you can do, go to settings, sketch, there is an option called enable numerical input integration. So off it, click on OK. So now it won't bother you like that way. Okay, so what is the diameter of this inner circle, which is 19 mm, completely fine. So select one more circle. What is the diameter? Sorry, it is radius. So 13 into 2, enter, and then there are two more circles, 6 radius and 6 diameter. Diameter 6, radius 6 means diameter 12, right? So select this center point and this point, make sure vertical, and the distance 22 from the center to this, which is 22, enter. Select line command, make two lines like that way, and make tangent, okay, tangent, tangent, tangent. Trim them out of the remaining excess lines. We'll trim this off, okay, exit, control 7. What is the overall thickness? 20. So blind, sorry, mid plane 20, enter. Sorry, 20 only, not 30. 20, enter. So we need to make one cutout here. That is what you can see it. So how can I do that? Click on this top line again, and control 8. I'll take one circle like this way, linear. What I'll do, exit, control 7, and I'll choose the cut extrude option and make click outwards. Okay, blind, what is the 8 mm, sorry, 8 mm. Okay, mid plane. Okay, now click on OK. That's it. Connecting node, let's move it a little like this way. Okay, washer, so click on this add. Okay, we'll continue modeling the parts in another video. So we'll finish this video till now.